Are you retired or approaching retirement and looking for a simple, flexible way to earn extra income without clocking into another job? What if you could create products online, work at your own pace, and never deal with inventory, shipping, or customer service? Today, I'm going to show you how senior citizens are supplementing their income with Zazzle. Zazzle is an online print-on-demand marketplace. You upload a design, or even just text, and Zazzle places it on products like coffee mugs, t-shirts, greeting cards, tote bags, stickers, phone cases. Zazzle handles printing, shipping, payments, and customer support. You earn royalties every time someone buys your product. That means no upfront costs, no inventory, no shipping boxes, no deadlines. Perfect for seniors who want flexibility and peace of mind. Now here's the best part. You do not need to be an artist to succeed on Zazzle. If you're creative, upload your artwork, photography, digital illustrations, AI-assisted designs. If you're not creative, use simple text designs, quotes, sayings, humor, seasonal messages. Examples that sell well. Grandpa's coffee mug. Retired and loving it. World's best nana. Holiday and birthday messages. Simple ideas often sell better than complex designs. Let's talk about why Zazzle works especially well for seniors. Work from home. Set your own pace. No physical labor. No customer complaints. Passive income potential. Low stress. Learn once, earn repeatedly. You can create designs once, and they can earn money for years. Many seniors treat this as coffee money, utility bill help, travel fund, emergency cushion, not pressure, just extra breathing room. Let's be realistic. This is not a get-rich-quick scheme, but with consistency. One design might earn $1 to $5 per sale. A small store of 50 to 100 designs can bring steady monthly income. Some sellers earn hundreds or more per month over time. The key is upload consistently. Focus on niches, retirement, faith, hobbies, holidays. Let time do the work. Think of it like planting seeds, not flipping switches. Getting started is simple. Create a free Zazzle account. Open your store. Upload designs or text. Choose products. Publish. That's it. You can learn at your own pace and improve as you go. You've spent a lifetime building experience, humor, wisdom, and perspective. Zazzle lets you turn that into income without stress. It's never too late to create something new. If this helped you, be sure to like, subscribe, and check out the links below to get started.